Here is how to correctly wear your AirPods Pro 3 so that they stay in place, you feel comfortable, and they don't fall out. So first, let's grab one of the buds, left or right, whichever you want. And then, insert the ear tip to your ear canal. Just make sure you're comfortable. Now, what you're going to do is simply twist it. Not too much, but enough so the sensors are sealed properly under the bump near the ear hole, also called the tragus. And at the same time, make sure the stem is parallel to your outer face or jawline. Just go ahead and see if you are comfortable with this placement. If not, you can take it out and readjust it. Follow the same trick to properly wear your AirPods in another ear. After that, now let's check out the fit test. So open your ear tip settings, under Fit and Comfort, hit the Test Acoustic seal. Wear the AirPod, just go ahead and test if the AirPods have fit in your ear properly, and if needed, you can readjust it in your ear or you can try out another tip size. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.